Okay guys, I'm gonna sit in the mini aviary and open this up. Who do we have with me today? Hi, Tony. I've got Carrot and Ducky. Hi, Ducky. Ducky, give Mama kisses. Hi, Ducky. Ooh, I see a fly. The flies are bad today. You guys are troopers. I got warriors with flies today. Texas flies. They don't play around. We have Axel. Snooky, I love you so much. Step up. You're gonna sit with Mom. Cairo the Catalina macaw is with us today for the unboxing. What do you think's in the box? Cairo is a hybrid macaw, which is a blue and gold macaw that has been bred with a scarlet macaw. And you get this gorgeous rainbow colors. Are you ready? So we are doing an unboxing today. Step up. You are a shoulder bird. I love you. You're a shoulder bird. There's a lot of birds that I have that are not shoulder birds. Snooky is a shoulder bird. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. I know kind of what's in this box. Well, actually I know what's in the box because I ordered it. And I'm gonna be ordering more of all of these kinds of things. Okay. This is good. This is really good. Come here, baby. Come here. I know you're excited too. I know you're excited. Mom is just as excited. Okay, does everyone want to see what's in the box? My Love Your Parrot crew? You are my crew. And you know what? I love you. I love each and every one of you. It's so special. I love YouTube. I love that I have this channel. Parrot, I'm trying to talk here. It's a sentimental message. Tawny. I actually have more children than this. I have more feathered fits and I have 4 of my own human children. Can you imagine what it sounds like in my house? So, as I was saying, before Carrot had something to say, I love y'all. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, I guess I need, oh, what happened to the scissors? Okay, we're crying out loud. Okay, the birds took the scissors. Hold on a second. Where are the scissors? Oh, they're like long gone. Crap. All right, you know what? I don't even need scissors. I don't need scissors. I can do this myself. I'm getting it. This is the most complicated unboxing that I have done. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, hold on guys. Hold on, Love Your Parrot crew. I gotta look at this myself. Oh, I gotta put it down. Oh, geez, it's heavy. Okay, this is amazing. So are the flies. Yep, flies, sorry, you're not part of the art. Okay, Texas flies, they're like, you know, I haven't had any problem with Texas flies or bugs. This must be the month, September. They're brooding. It's baby time. It's baby fly time. Because there are flies everywhere. Right? Snooky? Right, Snooky? You don't like flies. Okay, this is so beautiful. I have been wanting to order this for so long. It's amazing. Okay, I took this picture with my Canon camera. This was 2 years ago in our old home, which we lived in Omaha, Nebraska. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So, this is very special. I'm going to tell you why this is so special, okay? All right, I'm gonna show you guys. OMG. What do you guys think? So I took this picture of Cairo, and it's a beautiful picture, as you can see. Cairo is a rescue bird, and he was rescued. With Cairo, I was called as a bird specialist to see if I was able to adopt Cairo, because he was in a really bad situation. Cairo was in a garage. His cage had not been cleaned for 3 months. He did not have one perch in the macaw cage. Not one perch. This bird, strong, big, boisterous, heavy bird, did not have one single perch in his cage. This is an extra special picture because he is free. Now, even though he doesn't free fly, Cairo is free. He has the best home and the best life at Love Your Parrot Education with the Love Your Parrot crew, with an excellent diet, perches, a swing. We had to make him a swing that would help exercise his legs because he had no muscle mass and he could hardly perch on my arm to get any stability to even hang on to for perching. And Cairo was in a garage with no ventilation, no air conditioning. It was the heat of summer. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support means so much. And if you're a bird lover, I love you already. There's so much to learn about birds, and times are changing. The pet industry is changing, and I am here to teach you the right way of how to take care of birds. Okay, so we're gonna go see where we can hang this. And you know what? Don't worry. I will get a canvas of you too. I promise. Step back. Okay, you are so gorgeous. You're gonna get your own canvas. Ruby's gonna get her own canvas. I have lots of birthday presents to make. Okay, tell everyone bye. Oh, did you say bye, Tawny? Okay, Tawny's feeling left out. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Okay, let's go see Snooky. Snooky, are you ready to see where to put your brother's picture? Okay, Cairo, do you want to see what was in the box? Look what it is. It's a picture of you. Are you super excited? You're a superstar going in the bird room. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I can't wait to hang this up.